One bright morning, Nibbles the squirrel sneezed. A-choo! So hard that all his acorns flew out of his tree and scattered across the forest. Nibbles panicked. "Oh no, my acorns!" he cried. Hearing the commotion, his friends Trixie the rabbit and Beaky the bird rushed over. "Was that an earthquake?" Beaky asked, flapping his wings in alarm. "No," sniffled Nibbles. "I sneezed. Help me find my acorns." They searched everywhere. They found one on a bear's nose. The bear was confused. One inside a frog's mouth. The frog thought it was a strange bug. And another hidden in Beaky's feathers. Nobody knew how it got there. "Almost all of them," Nibbles said. "But my shiniest acorn is still missing." Just then,